I'm basically like, what is going on here? What is going on with this nail polish? If you look at the gray and the white nail, they are of the same brand, and the other two are something else. But look at what that white polish is doing. I have tried everything, but this has been doing this the last 3 or 4 times I have used this polish. I've tried curing it for 60 like you should. I've tried curing it for 90. I've tried curing it for 120. I've flash cured, and it still continues to do the same thing while the other polishes are not giving me this problem. And strangely, look at how it goes on. It goes on so nice and smooth. So I'm thinking it's going to come out great when it comes out the lamp, and that is not what's happening. So, you know, you have to be a problem solver. So I started thinking, well, maybe if I flash cure it for a little longer while it's on the nail looking the way I want it to. That's what I tried here. And guess what? That didn't work either. So there's something odd with this polish because, again, the other colors are not giving me this problem. I don't know what to think. This actually kind of threw me off from the set that I had planned to do. As you can see, I have it set up. So I'm going to come up with another design and the video will go on. But if anybody has any thoughts or ideas on what's going on with this polish, start a discussion in the comments section so that everybody can get something out of this. It's $5 Movie Tuesday. Me and my brother go all the time. We be saving that coinage. So I decided I would make a set for the occasion. But before I get into this, you saw the beginning clip, right? Where I was having trouble with the white polish. So Nail by Nikki responded to one of my comments. She said that she learned at the nail show that white polish contains sunscreen, which is why it cures differently. Now that was something for me to learn because when I went to school, gel polishes were just scratching the surface. In fact, they were called no chip at that time. Remember that? So thank you, Nail by Nikki. A big shout out to you. Love you much, because you always be coming with the good tips. Now, I'm braving this again today, but I'm actually happy with the way it started turning out. I really didn't do anything different from what I've already tried, other than switching out the nail tips. So I also wonder if that might be something because, in retrospect, each time it happened, it was the same tips. These today I'm using are the McCart Full Coverage Long Coffin Tips in clear. I left this portion of the video in real time just so you could see that this worked out for me this time and how happy I was about it. So this is not white polish again. Instead, this is star glue by a company called XKJ. I purchased this after seeing a video by Love by Verdie Nails where she did a comparison of using this star glue versus, I believe it was base coat, and she showed the results of it. And I really liked how the nail foil turned out, and I ended up purchasing this. In fact, I'm in a collab that is hosted by Love by Verdie Nails, and it's going to be an ombre pastels collab, so be sure to be watching for that video as well. Once you apply the glue, all you have to do is wait until it turns clear and then place your foil. It doesn't take much effort at all. I'm only using the silicone tool just to get into the corners. It came out perfectly. Do you take advantage of the $5 movies? If so, tell me what you go and see. Now, I don't go and see scary movies, not because I'm scared, it's just not something that I enjoy. I like to go and see dramas and action movies and some sci-fi. Oh, and we can't forget that free popcorn that comes with the movie ticket. Would you like butter on that?
you.